How's it going, guys? Nice to have you back. Sorry it's been so long between videos, but because the internet's so slow at my place, I've trying to do videos and try to upload is near impossible. I'm finally getting on NBN, hopefully in the next few weeks. So this video will go up on NBN as soon as I get the chance. Once I get it, because my upload speed, it doesn't exist. The computer can't go that slow. It just doesn't want to do it. Even downloads, the computer won't work that slow. I can't even download anything. Not even updates, nothing. That's crazy. But here we are at a job at Paddington, on the side of a hill. So it's cut in down there. I cut into the bank 6 feet here. So yeah, here's our holes. Our holes are on the side of the footy. This one's for 100 by 100. It goes up here, up onto the house just up there. So then we start 300 in. Because council, we're so close to the boundary, council wants the house to start downstairs 300 in, so that's what we're doing. And steel beams will take care of the rest. But what we've done is, because the ground is so nice and firm, being rock or shale, that we had the auger, the excavator, drill the holes. And of course he had to reach from over there over to here, and this is on the side of the bank, so it's near impossible for him to get it right. So all I wanted him to do was to dig the holes, and I'll bust it out later, which is what I'm doing. There's the line for our post. That's our outside of post, and we want that in there. So we've got enough room in there now, and as we go through one hole at a time, this one here, we got him to get it in, and it still needed to move over, so to line it up, because as he hits the rock pushes the auger around, so there's no way you get it. But then of course once I get it there, see, heaps of room to get the post in there. This one here, I haven't started busting it yet. I've got to double check position, but it may, yeah, this one will probably make it if it's in the right place, which looks pretty good. As we go along, you can see where the post is supposed to be there. I've got to bust all that over. I hit the sty over with a sledgehammer to get it out of the way, and the post will fit just in between there. So I just got to dig that out. And then that one's got drainage water running into it all the time as we go through, and we've got a couple of big ones that run all the way up to the roof, up the back. So that's what we're up to. Frankie's there making posts to start for our wall, and the ones in the centre, we've got to get those in. We start pouring tomorrow. Got to bring the mixer, and yeah, otherwise, yeah, all going well. A little slower than I was hoping, but what can you do with rock? That's what half of Brisbane's built on, which is great. Love rock. So we'll show you more as we go on. But yeah, it is the 2nd of June right now, and this probably won't hit the net until mid-June to July. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please, you know the story. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Do us a favour, as we're trying to build the channel. By the time you see this video, I may be lucky it got to 1,000 subscribers, so I can finally monetize the channel. I hope, since they took the money off us a couple of years ago. So we hopefully get there. But thanks for viewing. Come back again soon, and I'll get some more videos up now. Okay? Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.